Hi friends. Now today my topic is limits. So limits is the one of the topic in the calculus part. So limits is one of the topic in the calculus part. First, before going to learn this topic, we need to refer these points. I can divide into these points into two sections. Section 1 about the limit and methods of limit. Section 2 is the continuity of the function. So limit of the function is section 1. Continuity of the function is section 2. In the section 1, what is the highlights? So what is the highlight points means? First one, neighborhood of A. Neighborhood of A. So any number on that number line, if you the how to take the neighborhood of that point. So neighborhood of a number, left neighborhood, right neighborhood, deleted neighborhood. So these things we are learning here. Next, the meaning of x tends to a. So we are familiarly using this letter limit x tends to a, limit x tends to 5, limit x tends to 2 like this. So what is the meaning first of all? So limit before the applying the meaning of x tends to a. So x is our running variable. Is reached to some other value is a. So x tends to a. What's the meaning? How do we consider that things? Okay. Right. Next one. Idea of limit of a function f of x at x equal to a. So particular value. What is the limit of the function? How to take the limit of the function? So I am giving the here idea about the limit of the function at particular value. Next one. Limit of a function definition. So by using the definition up to here, just we know about the what is the meaning of that limit, how to apply the limit, what is the meaning of this one, all things. Now here definition. What are in the books is given definition. We are following as the definition. So limit of a function. Next one. Algebra of limits. So algebra of limits means so addition of two functions, then their limit value. What happens? If two functions are there, their limit of their product of the functions. So like this. So by using basic operations here, algebra of limits. Next one, existence of limit. Existence of limit means if you have a function, we need to find the limit of the function at some point. So is it exist or not? So exist means their left side limit and right side limit. Left side limit. Right side limit, LHL or RHL. If you are concluding to find these two, if these two are maybe equal, then it exists the limit. Otherwise, it not exists the limit. So by using that conclusion purpose, so existence of limit we need to learn is very important. Next, indeterminate forms. So up to 5 points. So what is the limit and how to find the limit? Is there definition something there? After this, indeterminate forms. So indeterminate forms means if you apply the limit as directly, so if you substitute the value directly, we got some answer like this: 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, 1 power infinity, 0 power infinity, infinity power 0. So these 6 ways. If you got these 6 out of any one of these things, then we can follow some models or methods, alternate methods by applying the standard formulas like this. So let's see here now. Some standard formulas. So when you apply the direct value for the limit to find the limit, if you got out of these 6 any one of the formation, then you have to follow them by using standard formulas and by using trigonometric and exponential and logarithmic and using expansions. So limit extends to infinity model questions. So limit extends to infinity model type of questions there. So how to do the solving these questions by using logics. And 1 power infinity, out of these 6 indeterminate forms, 1 power infinity, 0 power infinity, infinity power 0. These type of model questions, how to do. So that things as a point number 11. Next, methods of finding limits. So methods of finding limits means we have to follow from some order. So order of the verification to which is the suitable and easy, which is the easy and suitable to find the limit. So that we are following that method. So that's why methods of finding limits and Sandwich theorem and L'Hopital rule. So this L'Hopital rule is most applicable for 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 minus 0 type of questions. If you got the answer as 0 by 0, when you substitute the direct value indirectly, So that result may be 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity. So these three things, out of any one of these three, then you can apply L-Hopital rule also, suitable for that type of questions. So this is the section 1 content. I will take the screenshot. So now section 2 is going to discuss about continuity of the function. Continuity of the function. So continuity of the function. So continuity means we have two ways. So that thing is, if the function left limit is equal to limit at point that is equal to right limit. If these three are become left limit of the function at the point, limit of the point at the point, right limit of the function, if these three is become equal, then we can say the function is to be continuous on the given particular interval. So what is the interval we have taken? So that's it. If LHL left limit and right limit only equal and exist, if left limit and right limit along with at the point also given same result, these three is become 0, then it's said to be continuous, and it has a different type of discontinuities also there. Jump discontinuity, removal discontinuity, piecewise discontinuity, so something there. So we are discussing about those things at a single point. That is the section 2, continuity of the function.